What's up, Team T, baby? How y'all doing? How y'all doing? I'm doing good, but how y'all doing? Alright, you guys, today we have some very interesting things to talk about, actually, that I have to show you. So, I am in a bikini with a robe. I put a little bit of cover up on, but I am going to show you guys something amazing. As you can see right now, my legs, oh my god, they are silky smooth, and I'm going to tell you why. So, first of all, peep this case. So, I got this brand new laser, you heard, yeah, at home, so I can do this in the comfort of my own home. It looks like this, really cool device. So if you guys have never heard of laser hair removal, people go and pay hundreds of dollars to get this done, and I'm doing it right now in the comfort of my home. So I had to share this with you guys because laser hair removal helps with a lot of things. Some people are insecure about their dark spots or their hair or getting razor bumps and things like that. And so since I'm always doing photo shoots in bikini, I'm always in my bikini, I need something that I know that the shaver is not going to give me razor bumps. So I got into doing laser hair removal. And let me just start by saying my legs, my armpits are loving it. The hoo-ha, you can do whatever area you like. So basically, let me just break it down for you. It comes here with this box. You plug it in and then you get started. It also comes with these protectant glasses, and let me say they are mighty fancy even for some protecting glasses, and they come with the foldable ones. So before you get started, you want to protect your eyes because it is laser and there is the light, the same light. So I will of course leave you guys all the information, but I just thought these were kind of fancy for this. So we're gonna plug it in. What you want to do, which I previously done for the purpose of this video, is it comes with this little shaver, and you want to make sure that you just shave your legs first. I was a little confused too. I was like, wait, I gotta shave for laser removal? Yes, honey. Make sure you read the instructions. So you shave your legs, get them all nice and smooth, and then you want to put on your protecting goggles because protect the eyes. Okay, then here it has a cooling system, so it is on. So you're gonna press this button here. Whoa, shawty, and you just go. Did you see that? That's why you need your glasses, honey. There's different modes and settings on here. So as you keep pressing it, you'll see the different modes that it goes up to. I'm gonna leave it down here at 1. And then you just laser away. So let me just tell you, it's kind of loud. Let me take these off so you can take me seriously. So I love this because, first of all, I mean, it's cooling. How cool is that? Like, it's freezing cold right now, but you could do it at the comfort of your own home. So if you don't want to go in and get laser treatment done, at least you're here at home and you can do it wherever you want in the bathroom. I'm sitting here for purposes of the video to show you guys so you can see me better instead of sitting in the bathtub. But they do have a sale on it right now. It's a great gift, and men and women. Like, some men can't stand having hair certain places, so this is good for men and women. Men do go in and get laser treatment as well done, but I know it's very common for women to go get their laser hair removal because we don't like hair anywhere. So I do my legs, my armpits, down here. I don't really have much hair elsewhere, So I just pretty much keep it in the areas that I grow a lot of hair. But this thing is amazing because I love how I can do it at home, and it comes with everything, the glasses, the shaver, and then your whole little kit right here. So it's just so cool. You just plug it in, turn it on, and then you just start lasering away. Laser hair removal. Who would have known? Okay, so I didn't even know they had this thing for like in-house. Like I thought you always had to go into the treatment center and get it done. But no, we're up in here getting laser hair removal at the comfort of our home. And then it comes with your box so you can keep it nice and safe. So as you know, as I always try before you buy, I got a discount for you guys, and I will leave the link in the description, so don't forget to check it out below if you are interested. This is just a video to share with you my favorite things and how awesome this is and how awesome this works. So again, my discount code and the link will be in the description. All right, I love you all, and I'll see you all soon. Yep, now I feel confident and sexy in my bikini wherever I go because I don't have hair to worry about. I can lift up my arms and show my pits, and we are good to go.